Okay, today I'm going to make a video to laminate Samsung 8 OCA and screen. Here we go. This lamination machine is not come with built-in bubble remover, and that is our mini bubble remover. It can be used for both 120 voltage and 110 voltage. Now we're going to use our green mold to alignment glass and laminate glass later. The vacuum time was set to 30 seconds and the hold time was set to 40 seconds. The temperature is not changed. On this machine, there are also 4 preset pressure, and you can choose for laminate flat models and edge models.有泡吗？
有一点点这里，这有一点点很香。
There's some very small bubbles on the corner. We're going to put inside bubble remover to remove bubble for 10 minutes. Okay, we already removed bubble for Samsung S8 glass for 10 minutes. We're going to continue laminate screen. This screen is good screen, but there's some problem on the corner, top corner. There's some problem at here. Now we're going to check the touch. Okay, here we're going to laminate. When you put the screen inside our green mold, make sure you put the screen inside well, otherwise you'll have risk to damage the screen when you laminate. Now we change to laminate edge LCD, and the vacuum time is still 30 seconds and hold time still 40 seconds.
就这里有一点点。
There's only very small bubble at here. Now we're going to test it, then we will remove bubble. Okay, still working very good. Now we're going to remove bubble for 10 minutes.